Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L355 printer driver. So open and use to any browser and search to Google search box, enter like this. Okay, and then go to this website Epson. Okay, you can see so this is your printer. Then select the operating system. Okay, so all operating system you can see here, and then click to go. After that, extract driver, and this is actual driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading, and it will take some time and depend about your internet speed. Okay, so my 23, okay, it is completed. Then okay, and then yes, setup. Then this is your series, then click to OK. Again select, then you want to change the language and select, then click to OK, agree, and then again OK. Now this is installing the printer. And it will take some. Okay, now there are two options to install. First by network and second USB. So first your network, click to, if you connected to network, so connect the LAN cable and connect the Wi-Fi and all. So click to search an IP. Okay, and then just click to OK. After that it will search. Okay, scan and detect, and now you can see. Otherwise if you are installing USB, so connect a USB to your laptop to printer via USB cable. Okay, and then just click to OK. Okay, so it will take some time, and then you just install. Okay, then next, scanner. So this is scanner. If you want to some document will be scan it, yeah, just click to download, extract in. Now the setup will be start. Okay, so setup is downloaded. This is scan, then yes, then click to setup. Then next, I accept, next. Now this is installing, it will take some time. Then click to finish. Now you can see use. Okay, Thank you.